Today we are discussing questions about N10-008 certification. If you like this content helpful, please like, comment and subscribe. To find the complete list of the question and answers, please go to the playlist link provided in the description. Which of the following types of devices can provide content filtering and threat protection and manage multiple IPsec site to site connections? Option A, layer 3 switch. Option B, VPN head end. Option C, next generation firewall. Option D, proxy server. And option E, intrusion prevention. The correct answer is option C. An engineer notices some late collisions of a half duplex link. The engineer verifies that the devices on the both ends of the connection are configured to half duplex. Which of the following is the most likely the cause of the issue? Option A, the link is improperly terminated. Option B, one of the devices is misconfigured. Option C, the cable length is excessive. And option D, one of the devices had a hardware issue. The correct answer is option C. A network administrator is configuring a load balancer for two systems. Which of the following must the administrator configure to ensure connectivity during the failover? Option A, VIP. Option B, NAT. Option C, APIPA. Option D, IPv6 tunneling. And option E, broadcast IP. The correct answer is option A. A technician is troubleshooting a wireless connectivity issue in a small office located in a high rise building. Several APS are mounted in this office. The users report that the network connections frequently disconnect and reconnect throughout the day. Which of the following is the most likely cause of this issue? Option A, the AP association time is set too low. Option B, the EIRP needs to be boosted. Option C, channel overlap is occurring. Option D, the RSSI is misreported. The correct answer is option B. A network engineer configured new firewalls with the correct configuration to be deployed to each remote branch. Unneeded services were disabled and all firewall rules were applied successfully. Which of the following should the network engineer perform next to ensure all the firewalls are hardened successfully? Option A, ensure an implicit permit rule is enabled. Option B, configure the log settings on the firewalls to the central SYS log server. Option C, update the firewalls with the current firmware and software. And option D, use the same complex password on all firewalls. The correct answer is option C. Which of the following OSI model layers would a technician find an IP header? Option A, layer 1. Option B, layer 2. Option C, layer 3. Option 4, layer D. Option D, layer 4. The correct answer is option C. An engineer is configuring redundant network links between switches. Which of the following should the engineer enable to prevent network stability issue? Option A, 802.1q. Option B, STP. Option C, flow control. Option D, CSMA/CD. The correct answer is option B. Which of the following routing protocols is used to exchange route information between public autonomous systems? Option A OSPF, option B BGP, option C EGRIP, and option D RIP. The correct answer is option B. A fiber link connecting two campus network is broken. Which of the following tools should an engineer use to detect the exact breakpoint of the fiber link? Option A OTDR, option B tone generator, option C fusion splicer, option D cable tester, and option E PoE injector. The correct answer is option A. Which of the following can be used to centrally manage credentials for various types of administrative privileges on the configured network devices? Option A SSO, option B TACA CS plus, option B zero thrust, option D separation of duties, and option E multi factor authentication. The correct answer is option B. A network technician is installing new software on a Windows-based servers in different geographical location. Which of the following would be best for the technician to use to perform this task? Option A RDP, option B SSH, option C FTP, and option D DNS. The correct answer is option D. Branch users are experiencing issues with video conferencing. Which of the following will the company most likely configure to improve performance for these applications? Option A Link Aggregation Control Protocol, option B Dynamic Routing, option C Quality of Service, option D Network Load Balancer, and option E Static IP Address. The correct answer is option C.